Hello, if your Apple Watch Series 10 keep locking, this could be actually due to a few common reasons. So first of all, the wrist detection. If the watch isn't actually snug on our wrist or the sensors are obstructed, like for example by tattoos or dirt, it can actually lose contact with our skin and basically lock. And we can actually adjust the fit often, so it will actually help. You have to be sure that you wear your watch properly, like this, the tight wear. And also there's a second option about the passcode settings. So if the wrist detection is disabled in the settings, you can actually find it by going here, and you will have to search for passcode, I believe. There we go. And if you actually turn it off, like in my case, then the watch locks when the screen goes off. So after the screen timeout, after 15 or 70 seconds. And sometimes it's like really rare, but sometimes it could be also due to the outdated software. So be sure that you're updating your watchOS on the Apple Watch Series 10, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.